Transforming your balcony into a green oasis. Balcony landscaping explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that can transform your living space: balcony landscaping. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a spacious terrace, this video will guide you on how to turn that outdoor area into a beautiful and serene green oasis. So, let's get started and explore the magic of balcony landscaping together. Balcony landscaping involves the design and decoration of your balcony space using plants, garden furniture, and other outdoor elements to create a pleasant and natural environment. It's not just about placing a few potted plants, it's about creating a cohesive and enjoyable outdoor living area. This can include selecting suitable plants, arranging them for visual appeal, and incorporating accessories for comfort and style. Why should you consider landscaping your balcony? First and foremost, it enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living space, making it more inviting and relaxing. Moreover, plants can improve air quality and provide a sense of connection to nature, which is especially valuable in urban environments. Balcony landscaping can also create a private retreat where you can unwind, enjoy your morning coffee, or even work in a peaceful setting. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful balcony garden. Consider the climate, sunlight exposure, and the size of your balcony. Opt for hardy plants that can withstand outdoor conditions and fit well in the space available. Some great choices include succulents, herbs, and flowering plants that can thrive in pots or planters. Remember, the goal is to create a low-maintenance yet vibrant garden that suits your lifestyle. Designing your balcony garden is where creativity comes into play. Start by planning your layout, keeping in mind the balance between greenery and open space. Use vertical gardening techniques to maximize space, like wall planters and hanging baskets. Incorporate outdoor furniture that fits the scale of your balcony and adds functionality. Lighting is another essential element. Soft, outdoor-safe lights can make your balcony garden magical at night. We hope this video has inspired you to start your balcony landscaping project and transform your outdoor space into a green sanctuary. Remember, balcony landscaping is not just about beautification. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. So, grab some pots, pick your favorite plants, and let your creativity flourish. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your balcony transformations.